In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a list ID in ClickUp. This video will guide you step by step through the process, making it easy for anyone to follow along, whether you're a seasoned ClickUp user or just starting. First things first, you'll want to head over to ClickUp's website by entering clickup.com into your browser's address bar. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your tasks and projects. Next, let's move to the Spaces section on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of all the spaces you have access to. A space in ClickUp is essentially a collaborative area where you can group related projects and teams. From this section, choose the specific space where the list or project you need is located. Clicking on the desired space will present you with various lists and projects that have been created within that space. Now, locate the particular list or project you are interested in. Once you've clicked into the list, you'll notice that the URL in your browser's address bar changes. This is key to our next step. Within this URL, there will be a sequence of numbers that represents your list ID. It's usually found towards the end of the URL string, sometimes preceded by the terms list or project. For example, the URL might look something like this: http://app.clickup.com space list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In this case, the list ID is the sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Tune your attention to the URL to find your unique list ID, and there you have it. That's how you identify your list ID in ClickUp. By following these steps, you can effortlessly locate the necessary ID for tasks that require it, such as API integrations or advanced management within ClickUp. Remember, whenever you set up a new list or work with existing ones, the list ID is crucial for distinguishing between different items in back-end processes or reports. Just revisit the URL for any list in your ClickUp account and you'll have what you need. If you've reached this point, congratulations on locating your list ID in ClickUp. With practice, this process becomes quick and intuitive, allowing you to seamlessly integrate or reference lists across various applications or collaborative efforts. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial enriched your understanding of ClickUp's features. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one. See you next time.